Wait, I got it. I'll just put the
Sydney
gas
makes
on
fire. Hi. Sydney's making fire, and this could take a while, so no rush. I'm on a hammock. Because I'm lame. I don't know. There she comes. Run, Sydney!
Are you still videotaping?
Yeah.
Okay.
First part's a little
You
queer.
gotta let me pour gas in it first. I'm gonna run away.
You guys want a hot dog, Sydney?
Maybe later.
Sydney,
Said maybe later.
you're ready.
There. Ready?
Just letting the match.
Come back, Justin.
Match went out. That didn't, Dad, it's not working.
Ah, goddamn mosquitoes. You're bad at this.
No, I'm actually good at this. I'm just scared I'm gonna burn my eyebrows off. I'm sorry.
Again? Okay.
Again. Oh yeah, bad story.
Cover it from the wind.
Well, if I cover it, then I'm gonna fucking catch on fire. Okay, I need some paper.
Just do this.
Now watch, I'll just take some of this. Matchboxes are really flammable.
I don't know why they have.
Flammable matchboxes. Oh, don't burn up.
Oh,
It's not going to. Look, it's catching fire.
it's out. Shut up.
You know what? I'm wasting matches. It's fun though. See, it just like catches fire like automatically. Ready for this? Oh shit. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go like this.
Message.
Okay, the gas is on this
My
side.
neck. Manic.
Sydney, you gotta, when you first strike the match. Sydney, that's not, whoa, what are you gonna do? You're gonna blow your wood all.
I'm having fun, Dad. Let me be.
When you first strike it, throw it in there. As soon as it lights, throw it in there. Don't put your head over there. Throw it in there.
Woo! That was cool.